Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw some new 2D shapes. So let's start. This is hexagon shape. What shape is this? Hexagon shape. Trapezoid. Right triangle. Heptagon. Pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. Pentagon shape. L shape. Heart shape. So kids, let's draw these all 2D shape. Hexagon shape. It is hexagon shape. Hexagon shape. It is trapezoid. Trapezoid shape. This is right triangle. Right triangle. Pentagon. Pentagon shape. L shape. Heart shape. What color is this? This is black color. Black color. Let's learn some colors.